friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Texas toast in the air fryer. So this is a frozen Texas toast. No need to defrost. We're cooking it straight from frozen. So I'm going to open a package of Texas toast and take out the air fryer basket and put frozen Texas toast in the air fryer in a single layer with the cheese side up. So now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the Texas toast. Look at that, it looks amazing, perfectly browned on top, cooked straight from frozen. Now let me remove it to a plate. It's perfectly toasted. Delicious and crispy. I'm so excited about trying it. Look at that, so crunchy. And perfectly soft inside. Steaming hot with cheese on top. This looks so good. Now air fryers differ, so if yours is not as well cooked as mine, you can always put it back in the air fryer for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's try it. So good. So cheesy and garlicky. It tastes amazing. You are going to love air fryer Texas toast. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!